everyone, this is Miss Sitaram from Sparkling Memories. In front of you we have a salad, and one of the main reasons I want to talk about salads is because it is simple and it's something you can do and actually stay healthy on a busy schedule. In front of you we have the iceberg lettuce, we have the tomato that's on a vine, a regular onion, cause salad dressing, I choose ranch, the seasoned croutons. There is Mexican 4 cheese blend. I know you're looking at the cheese and you're probably saying, well, that's a lot of cheese. Yes, it is. And then this is the bowl that has in the actual salad. It also has in some cucumbers already cut in there, and carrots as well, and lettuce and tomato. One of the main reasons I wanted to show you this is because with this, yes, it's a lot of different cheese, but if you're not familiar, if you're a person that doesn't do a lot of dairy and you want to get it into something that you eat, but you could possibly see about getting something that has in cheese and put it in your salad. Because one thing you want to do is make sure it tastes good, because if it doesn't taste good, you're not going to be consistent with it. The main reason it's in a big bowl, I probably ate out of it about 4 times already, because every day you're not going to be going back and forth making a salad. What you want to do is get yourself a big bowl, cover it up, put it in the fridge, and every day you take a small plate and then you dish it out every day and you make yourself a salad. Whether it be in the morning, in the afternoon, all depends on what works for you. And just any kind of dressing. I prefer ranch, so that's my one of choice. But you can do this too and make it a lot easier. As far as the 4 cheese, if you're a person that doesn't do a lot of cheese, you don't want to get some kind of dairy within what you eat, because dairy is also important to keep up with calcium in your body, because you don't want your bones to get fragile. This 4 cheese has in Monterey Jack, cheddar, and some other cheese. So it just definitely has dairy in it, and it's not non-GMO. It's the real cheese. I know there's vegan cheese, but vegan cheese works with certain things like omelets and things of that nature. And this would be the finished product. This would be typically a 1 serving. You go ahead and add the cheese. I'm doing the 4 cheese. Not typically putting cheese and stuff, but when you're not a huge fan of dairy and you have to incorporate someplace within what you eat, then maybe add an extra cheese might not hurt. Of course, you have the dressing, Hidden Valley Ranch, and you have the 4 cheeses. So you can't go wrong if you have everything else that you know that you incorporate, and just take it from there. As far as the croutons is actually ranch. So that's a double dose of ranch. And get your little dressing on there. And it actually has in carrots too. Shredded carrots. So it's lettuce, tomatoes, bell peppers, cucumbers, onions, all that great stuff. And here's an example of eating well. This is the entire huge bowl, and that is actually salad. As in lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, bell peppers, and this could last a good 3 days if you're lucky.